Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Knorr Italian Mushroom Soup. Gather your ingredients and prep them now, chopping any fresh herbs and draining mushrooms. I'll walk you through assembling flavors, adjusting seasoning, and timing each step so the mushrooms stay tender and the broth develops depth. This approach helps you make a cozy, restaurant-quality soup at home with minimal fuss and reliable results. Start by melting butter over medium heat and sautéing mushrooms until they brown and concentrate flavor. Add Knorr mix and pour in broth, then bring to a gentle simmer to marry the flavors without boiling aggressively. Keep stirring occasionally and use this time to taste and tweak salt and herbs. Finish by folding in cream off the heat to preserve silkiness, then ladle into bowls with a sprinkle of parsley for warmth and color. Plate your soup in warmed bowls and pair it with crusty bread or a simple sandwich for a satisfying meal. Add finishing touches like parsley, a drizzle of olive oil, or a grind of black pepper to elevate aroma and contrast. If you have leftovers, cool quickly and refrigerate in a sealed container for up to 3 days, reheating gently on the stove to protect texture and avoid breaking the cream into oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.